Jeffrey C. Grass is the owner, founder, and medical board defense attorney for the law offices of Jeffrey C. Grass. With over 22 years of professional experience as a practicing attorney, Jeffrey C. Grass has certainly proved himself as an accomplished professional and expert litigator who has dedicated his career to protecting the rights of medical professionals across the country. As a dynamic, results-driven leader, Mr. Grass has successfully represented countless doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and other healthcare practitioners during administrative licensing board hearings, medical staff peer review hearings, ACGME hearings, and DEA revocations. Mr. Grass has also litigated a broad range of white-collar criminal cases, including the most challenging kinds of healthcare fraud, DEA drug diversion, and criminally negligent manslaughter matters. For example, he recently finished a 6-week federal Medicare fraud trial that the U.S. Attorney General described as the largest in our nation's history. Mr. Grass's dedication to the profession, his originality of thought, and his passion for changing the law for the betterment of the profession has caused him to write extensively about healthcare law and criminal justice reform. Mr. Grass has been most keenly influential when dealing with new and complex scientific and legal issues concerning synthetic drugs, standards of care regarding legitimate medical prescribing by physicians, the enforceability of death with dignity laws, as well as the constitutionality of utilizing controlled substances for palliative and hospice care and lethal injection. He has litigated these issues to advance the law before the U.S. District Court for the District of New Mexico, the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Texas, and the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia, the U.S. Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, the U.S. Supreme Court, the Supreme Court of Texas, and the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals. Before entering law school, Mr. Grass worked for the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. He then left Florida for Cairo, Egypt. Upon returning to the United States, he entered law school, and from 1993 to 1997, Mr. Grass was a commissioned United States naval officer with the Judge Advocate General, JAGC. During his military service, he was awarded the U.S. Navy's Commendation Medal and 2 U.S. Navy's Achievement Medals. His active duty military experience not only provided him with the distinct honor of serving his country through the practice of his profession, but he also acquired the skills and proven strategies required to advocate on behalf of individuals accused of serious crimes. As a Dallas and Plano state and federal criminal defense lawyer, Jeffrey Grass is a proven and distinguished advocate for his clients before the Court of Criminal Appeals and Texas Supreme Court State, United States Supreme Court. Mr. Grass attended St. Mary's University of San Antonio, where he received his BS in political science with a minor in philosophy and English in 1985 and graduated magna cum laude. Upon graduation, he was awarded a PhD fellowship at the University of Arizona. He then enrolled at Florida State University and obtained his MS in criminology in 1988, graduating cum laude. In 1993, he returned to St. Mary's University School of Law in San Antonio, Texas, with his JD and wrote for the Law Journal. Languages spoken at his law firm are Spanish, Arabic, and Romanian. Mr. Grass is regarded by his peers to be one of the nation's top healthcare defense attorneys, and he has been recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the legal profession. He has received many awards, accolades, and has been featured in numerous publications and magazines. He has been honored with the American Jurisprudence Award in Legal Research and Writing. He has been featured in Who's Who in American Universities, Who's Who in American Law Schools, and recognized in the Global Who's Who Roundtable. In 2015, Mr. Grass was named Top 100 Lawyers from the Criminal Defense Lawyers Association and Top 10 Best for Client Satisfaction by the American Institute of Criminal Law Attorneys. For 2016, he was named Top Attorney of the Year by the International Association of Top Professionals. Mr. Grass remains active in his professional community and is a member of the College of the State Bar of Texas, sits on the Dallas Bar Association Criminal Law Section, Administrative Law and Healthcare Section, member of the Advisory Committee of the Champion for the National Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers, and is a member of the American Bar Association's Committee on Criminal Justice and Healthcare. Mr. Grass has also served as a member of the State Bar Pro Bono College since 2010 and has been honored by the State Bar of Texas, Access to Justice Program, and named a Champion of Justice for his volunteer work. Mr. Grass states, "Volunteering my time to help those in need gives me the opportunity to practice law for the reasons I became a lawyer in the first place." Mr. Grass is recognized by professions outside of law. He has been named a Fellow of the American College of Legal Medicine, FALCM, recipient of the Semmelweis Society Award, and has been featured as an expert commentator on the subject of health fraud for CNN. Looking back, Mr. Grass attributes his success to his experience, mentors he's had along the way, and his passion for being relentless. He lets nothing stand in his way when pursuing favorable case results for his clients. For the future, Mr. Grass will continue to work hard, serve and fight for his clients, and he will continue to seek justice and make a difference in people's lives. For more information on Jeffrey C. Grass, please visit www.grasslaw.com.